One of the most serious challenges in the era of climate change is chemical pollution caused by the unsafe disposal of unused and expired pharmaceuticals, which is dangerously affecting the environment, water bodies, agricultural soils, wastewater desalination projects, and human health in the MENA region and Africa. Most governments are all committed to tackling this challenge, but there is still a big gap that needs an innovative solution to motivate more people and stakeholders to make a practical contribution. In Egypt alone, there are 25 million households dispose of their pharmaceuticals in garbage and sewage, and 84,000 pharmacies do what is even worse. MEDEX was founded by a group of experts in business innovation, pharmaceutics, logistics, and tech development, with a great advisory board from several sectors, who all decided to create an innovative solution for this challenge. By building a smart network of thousands of pharmacies to enable the collection of the household pharmaceuticals legally and safely, in return for financial incentives, to motivate both parties to get involved. But started by addressing the pharmacy's key challenge of medicine stagnation until expiry, causing low ROI and cash loss. Instead of using the pharmacies only as collection hubs, it has turned them into paying customers, who have generated high revenues for the project. Phase 1. The Pharmaceutical Network. A smart app with a courier network, linking thousands of pharmacies, enabling them to exchange their stagnant medicines together before reaching the expiry date, accelerating their ROI, reducing the accumulation of expired medicines, and minimizing the geographical drug shortages, in addition to collaborating with pharmaceutical companies in compensating the current accumulated expired, in return for direct marketing for their products from the pharmacy's side, with group purchasing orders. MEDEX has obtained the necessary licenses, signed collaboration protocols with 15 pharmacy syndicates in different provinces, acquired 16,000 pharmacies, and is now ready for the MEGA project. Phase 2. The Households Network. A new smart app, linking households with the pharmacy's network to enable the collection, where households can easily upload their unused and expired pharmaceuticals on the app, or deliver them to the nearest pharmacy and get rewarded for them. Then the couriers collect them from the pharmacies to the main hub. We're using new technology to record the data of the collected pharmaceuticals before auto-sorting them into unused and expired groups. The unused pharmaceuticals will be donated to the needy patients through NGOs under expert supervision, as part of the CSR. Then separating the high-quality packaging materials, like plastic, aluminum, paper, and glass, for recycling with several factories, and safely disposing the expired pharmaceuticals with incineration reports, which will be added to the CSR of the collaborating pharmaceutical companies, for environmental disclosure and carbon credit. The research team at MEDEX Lab is working on scientific experiments to generate clean energy from the chemical interactions of the pharmaceutical ingredients, and temporarily registered in a German research university, which is expected to be a new revolutionary patent. The unique strategies and plans have enabled MEDEX to collaborate with several stakeholders, including government authorities, and to turn many of the expected competitors into partners in a win-win situation. The project has been selected to represent the African sustainability innovation in several international forums, and to participate in the UN SDGs program. It also represented the Egyptian Ministry of Environment at COP28, and received significant support from the Egyptian ministers and policymakers, which has facilitated the official collaboration with several local and international organizations and governments, especially with its several impacts on the environment, the economy, the public health, and the society.
الادويه الاكسبايرد انا بدور على اعدامها واصرف على اعدامها، لا ده هي ممكن ليها اعاده استخدام في توليد طاقه نظيفه. تمام، يبقى ده توفير وفلوس وطاقه نظيفه متجهه للترند العالمي.
In just a few years, MEDEX was able to showcase its innovations in the Egyptian and Arab media, received many awards in Egypt, until it became an official representative of Egypt and Africa in many international forums and conferences, signed a number of strategic partnerships with 3 Arabian countries, received government support, and won awards and recognition in many European countries, which has led many international waste management organizations to see MEDEX as the ideal partner to expand into Africa and the MENA region.
تم اختيارهم بكل عناية من الادفايزري تيم في شركة اكزيس مينا من وسط اكتر من 1000 ابلكيشن.
الفاوندرز كلهم قابلوني وخلاص انا معاهم هعمل استثمار معاهم.
MEDEX is not only an investment opportunity. MEDEX is an invitation for all of us to work together for a better future.